I was very nervous. Okay, so I was said by my seniors, you should have a smiling face and I maintain eye contact with all the people present in the interview board. In West Bengal Judicial Service, we have 3-member interview board, and you have to at least try to maintain eyesight and to have a conversation with each of them, irrespective कि कोई एक सवाल आपसे पूछ रहे हैं, लेकिन you try to answer and satisfy each of the 3 people sitting over there. And the questions which were asked to me were initially they tried to pacify me because I was very nervous. Okay, while I entered the room, I was feeling pretty nervous. Although I have a lot of experience in litigation and I've been to court practice, but I was actually nervous. So चलता है होता है. तो ठीक है. When I went inside, so they actually made me comfortable by asking me about myself, my hobbies, my where I stay, localities, whatever happening in my city, my state, etc. These were not questions; these were discussions we were having. Thereafter, they started. Initially, they started actually testing my aptitude, not general knowledge, but aptitude. Ki what, giving me situations. कि आपको ऐसे situation दिया जाता है. Try to figure out what you should be doing. And I was asked. One simple question was asked to me ki, suppose I have a friend, I'm just leaking out an interview question. So suppose you have a friend who is very close to you and very dear to you, and I being a judge, and a friend comes to me and says he or she needs particular help from me, which is not illegal per se, but it is unethical, for example. So what you are going to do with it? So that was a very interesting question. They were trying to actually test your mettle, the honesty you have, the calmness of mind you have, the spontaneity which you have in the answers. And coming back to the law questions, there were a few law questions. Topics were like from res judicata. I was being asked questions from Article 15 and 16 of the Indian Constitution. I was being asked about writs. I was being asked questions on writs, and thereafter sections 32, 33, and 50 of the Indian Evidence Act. I was being asked questions, and there were questions on injunction, interim injunction, and very important thing which I must point out here for the aspirants. One must look after the current legal scenarios going on in our country, because I was asked questions on transit bail and transit remand, which was a very hot topic at that point of time in the month of March. Bombay High Court especially and the Supreme Court were dealing with why transit remand, why transit bail, whether it's possible for a High Court to allow that or not. And I was asked questions on that. And around for warrant procedure, I was being asked questions. And I personally believe I received a pat on my back verbally, that they said you are pretty much accustomed to the criminal law. I say yes, that is my field of practice, so I am acquainted with it quite. So my interview was very nice. It was very smooth. People say they are being grilled, they are being tortured. I was not tortured, not grilled. It was very smooth. They pacified me. Wherever I felt I was actually sinking low, they actually boosted me up. कि आपको आंसर पता है, you know the answer, come on up with it. And I tried my level best, and I'm very thankful to my interview board for being so cooperative with me and all the other aspirants, other selected candidates, I'm pretty sure.